Hi, it's Miss Rogers. How are you? Well, this is how I think we're going to do attendance. When you open up Google Classroom, you might see this. It says 1-4, Zyme and Rogers. You'll bring your cursor here and click in the purple. We don't want that. It'll bring you to this screen, or you might have already seen this screen. You want to go not to stream, but to classwork and click up there. Now it says attendance. I'm going to click down here on attendance and view assignment. I need to go to the bottom where there's a spot. Here, there's an empty, very pale oval. And you will click on there and write hello or hi or whatever you want to say. And then click on the little airplane. And then click on Mark as Done. Mark as done. All right. Let's see. And then go back up here to 1-4/Zyme. And here we are. And then you'll go again to classwork. All right, attendance is finished. And we will have other activities for you to do listed here.